The Vice-Chancellor, Professor Nyaudo Ndayo, on behalf of the Senate, cordially invites members of the university community and indeed the general public to the 106th Inaugural Lecture of the University of Uyo. Date: Thursday, 31st October 2024. Time: 3 p.m. prompt. Topic: Educational Evaluation from Cradle to Grave, the quintessential process for development. To be delivered by Professor Eme Udeme Joseph.
Born in May 1965 to Elder and Elder Mrs. Ansa E. Ansa of Emaitam, it's a local government area of Akwa Ibom State, Professor Eme Joseph is an erudite scholar who holds a National Certificate in Education NCE 1984 and BSc ED in Chemistry 1987, both from the University of Cross River State. In 1990, she bagged MEd in Measurement and Evaluation from University of Benin, and in 2008 she obtained a PhD in Educational Measurement and Evaluation from the University of Calabar.
Her academic prowess fetched her the laurel as the best graduating student of the Faculty of Education for the 1987 graduating class. This feat marked the beginning of a career as a university lecturer, which has spanned over 3 decades of teaching and research with a robust array of publications in her area of specialization within and outside Nigeria.
Professor Eme Joseph is a lecturer in the Department of Educational Foundations, Guidance and Counseling, University of Uyo, and has served the university in many capacities. Amongst them are Head, Department of Educational Foundations, Guidance and Counseling, Vice Dean, Faculty of Education, Deputy Director, School of Continuing Education and Professional Studies, and several other committees within the university. Currently, Professor Joseph is a Director, Academic Planning, University of Uyo. This inaugural lecture of note will hold in the 1,000-seater Tetfon Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus of Mwaniba Road, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. Guests are to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Mrs. Blossom Okorie, Registrar and Secretary to Senate. Announcer